Welcome to our newest video, Bitcoin Unleashed, surprising future predictions you can't miss. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the future of Bitcoin. Since its inception, Bitcoin has been a topic of intense discussion and speculation. In this video, we dive into expert analyses and emerging trends to uncover what the future might hold for this trailblazing digital currency. The story of Bitcoin's evolution is nothing short of extraordinary, a tale of how a novel idea transformed into a global financial phenomenon. Bitcoin's journey began in 2009, birthed by an enigmatic figure or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. It was introduced as a decentralized digital currency, a stark contrast to the traditional, centrally controlled fiat currencies. The early days of Bitcoin were marked by obscurity, with a value negligible in terms of mainstream currency metrics. A significant milestone in Bitcoin's history was the first real-world transaction made with Bitcoin in 2010, famously used to purchase 2 pizzas. This event, now celebrated as Bitcoin Pizza Day, was a pivotal moment, demonstrating Bitcoin's potential as a transactional currency. Over the years, Bitcoin began to gain traction, initially within niche tech and libertarian circles, and eventually capturing the attention of a wider audience. The period between 2013 and 2017 marked a phase of rapid growth and increased visibility. Bitcoin's price saw its first major surge and subsequent fluctuations, introducing the world to the concept of a digital asset with significant investment potential. This period also saw the emergence of regulatory conversations around Bitcoin, as governments and financial institutions began to recognize its growing influence. Another landmark event was the Bitcoin halving occurrences, which happen approximately every 4 years. These halvings, reducing the reward for mining new blocks by half, created a deflationary effect and have historically been followed by significant price increases, highlighting Bitcoin's unique economic model compared to traditional currencies. By 2020 and 2021, Bitcoin had cemented its position in the financial world, not only as a novel investment asset but also as a potential hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Major corporations and financial institutions started to adopt Bitcoin, either by adding it to their balance sheets or by facilitating Bitcoin transactions and investments, further legitimizing its value. In this evolutionary journey, Bitcoin has faced challenges, including scalability issues, regulatory hurdles, and debates over its environmental impact. Yet, it has continually adapted and evolved, shaping its path as a digital asset. Understanding Bitcoin's history is crucial for comprehending its future potential. As we stand at the cusp of new technological advancements and shifts in the global economic landscape, Bitcoin's past provides invaluable insights into what the future may hold for this pioneering digital currency. The future of Bitcoin, like many technological phenomena, is closely intertwined with the progression of various emerging technologies. These advancements are not only poised to enhance Bitcoin's functionality and security but also to broaden its potential applications and adoption. One of the most talked about technologies in this context is quantum computing. Quantum computers, with their ability to perform complex calculations at unprecedented speeds, present both opportunities and challenges for Bitcoin. On one hand, quantum computing could potentially break Bitcoin's cryptographic security, as these powerful machines might be capable of deciphering Bitcoin's cryptographic keys, thereby threatening the security of the blockchain. On the other hand, this same technology could lead to the development of new, quantum-resistant cryptographic algorithms, significantly bolstering Bitcoin's security. The race is on in the cryptographic community to develop quantum-resistant algorithms to ensure the long-term security of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Another key area of technological advancement impacting Bitcoin is the ongoing development in blockchain scalability solutions. Bitcoin's original blockchain faces challenges in terms of transaction speed and scalability. Solutions like the Lightning Network, a second-layer protocol, are being developed and implemented to enable faster and more cost-effective transactions. This is crucial for Bitcoin's potential as a mainstream medium of exchange, as it addresses the concerns regarding its ability to handle a high volume of transactions efficiently. Improvements in cryptographic security are also critical for Bitcoin's future. Enhancements in encryption methods, secure multi-party computation, and zero-knowledge proofs are just a few examples of how advanced cryptography could reinforce the security and privacy of Bitcoin transactions. As blockchain technology becomes increasingly sophisticated, these cryptographic advancements will play a vital role in safeguarding Bitcoin against a wide array of cyber threats. In summary, the intersection of Bitcoin with emerging technologies like quantum computing, blockchain scalability solutions, and advanced cryptography is shaping a new horizon for this digital currency. While these technologies present challenges that need to be navigated carefully, they also offer exciting opportunities to enhance Bitcoin's functionality, security, and overall adoption. Keeping abreast of these technological advancements is essential for understanding the future trajectory and potential of Bitcoin in the evolving digital landscape. The trajectory of Bitcoin is deeply intertwined with global economic trends, each influencing and shaping the other. As we delve into this relationship, we uncover how Bitcoin is not only affected by but also a significant influencer of global economic dynamics. Inflation rates are a critical economic trend impacting Bitcoin. In recent years, as various countries have experienced higher inflation rates, there's been a growing perception of Bitcoin as a digital gold, a store of value that can potentially hedge against inflation. This view is based on Bitcoin's cap supply, which contrasts sharply with fiat currencies that can be printed at will by governments, potentially leading to devaluation. As such, in economies experiencing high inflation, Bitcoin has seen increased adoption as both individuals and institutions seek to preserve their wealth. Cryptocurrency regulations also play a pivotal role in Bitcoin's adoption and its integration into the financial system. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is still evolving, with different countries taking varied approaches. Some have embraced it, implementing regulations that foster innovation and growth, while others have imposed stringent controls or outright bans. These regulations directly impact Bitcoin's accessibility, usability, and legitimacy, influencing investor sentiment and the adoption of Bitcoin for both personal and commercial uses. Additionally, the adoption of digital currencies by governments and major corporations is a trend of considerable significance. Various central banks are exploring or developing digital currencies, CBDCs, which could change the landscape in which Bitcoin operates. While these CBDCs differ from Bitcoin in being centralized, their adoption underscores the growing acceptance of digital currencies in general. Furthermore, several major corporations have integrated Bitcoin into their operations, whether through accepting it as a payment method, investing in it as a reserve asset, or incorporating it into their business models. This corporate adoption not only enhances Bitcoin's legitimacy but also expands its potential use cases. In summary, global economic trends such as inflation rates, cryptocurrency regulations, and the adoption of digital currencies by governments and corporations are key factors shaping Bitcoin's future. As these trends evolve, they will continue to influence Bitcoin's role and position within the global financial system, potentially leading to wider integration or disruption. Understanding these factors is crucial for anyone looking to grasp the future landscape of Bitcoin and its impact on global economics. Bitcoin has not only revolutionized the concept of currency but also transformed investment strategies globally. This segment will explore the evolving role of Bitcoin in both individual and institutional investment portfolios. A key development in this area is the potential approval of Bitcoin ETFs. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for Bitcoin represent a monumental shift in the cryptocurrency's investment landscape. An ETF approval would mean that investors can buy into Bitcoin without the complexities of managing actual cryptocurrency, such as dealing with wallets and exchanges. It simplifies Bitcoin investment, potentially attracting a new wave of institutional and retail investors who were previously hesitant due to operational concerns. The approval of a Bitcoin ETF would likely have a profound impact on its market. It could lead to increased liquidity, more stability, and potentially higher prices due to the influx of new investors. Moreover, it would signify a level of acceptance and legitimacy of Bitcoin in the eyes of regulatory bodies and traditional financial markets. This could further bolster investor confidence and drive wider adoption. However, the journey towards ETF approval has been met with regulatory hesitance, reflecting concerns about market manipulation and volatility. The outcome of this ETF journey is eagerly anticipated by the crypto community, as it would mark a significant milestone in Bitcoin's journey into mainstream finance. In addition to ETFs, this section will also cover the rise of Bitcoin-based lending services and the growing trend of tokenizing traditional assets, allowing them to be bought and sold using Bitcoin. These developments highlight how Bitcoin is diversifying investment opportunities and changing the landscape of wealth management. Bitcoin's role in investment strategies is rapidly evolving. From the potential of ETFs to new platforms for lending and asset tokenization, Bitcoin is at the forefront of a financial revolution. As it continues to mature, we might see even more innovative ways in which Bitcoin reshapes investment norms. The future of Bitcoin, a subject of extensive speculation and analysis, is shrouded in a mix of predictions and possibilities that paint various scenarios for this pioneering digital currency. As we explore these potential futures, we uncover a spectrum of outcomes that could define the role of Bitcoin in the global financial landscape. One prominent prediction is the potential of Bitcoin evolving into a global reserve currency. This scenario hinges on Bitcoin's growing acceptance as a store of value, akin to gold, but with the added benefits of digital transferability and decentralization. Should Bitcoin continue to gain trust and adoption among individuals, institutions, and even governments, its role as a digital gold could solidify, possibly leading it to parallel or even supplant traditional reserve currencies in some contexts. However, this outcome depends on various factors, including regulatory developments, technological advancements, and shifts in global economic stability. Another possibility is the increasing competition Bitcoin faces from other cryptocurrencies. As the crypto space expands, newer blockchain projects are emerging with advanced features, addressing some of the limitations of Bitcoin, such as scalability and energy efficiency. These cryptocurrencies could either complement Bitcoin, coexisting as they serve different needs, or pose a challenge to its dominance, particularly in areas like smart contracts and decentralized applications. Moreover, Bitcoin could undergo significant technological transformations. The implementation of solutions like the Lightning Network and other Layer 2 protocols could enhance Bitcoin's scalability and efficiency, boosting its viability for everyday transactions and micropayments. In addition, as concerns about energy consumption and sustainability grow, there could be a push towards more energy-efficient consensus mechanisms or the adoption of greener energy sources for Bitcoin mining. The future of Bitcoin is layered with diverse predictions and possibilities. From becoming a global reserve currency to facing competition from other cryptocurrencies, or undergoing technological transformations, Bitcoin's journey is likely to be dynamic and multifaceted. These scenarios not only highlight the potential trajectories for Bitcoin but also underscore the evolving nature of the cryptocurrency landscape. As Bitcoin continues to navigate these paths, its impact on the financial world and beyond will undoubtedly be a subject of keen interest and debate. In Bitcoin Unleashed, surprising future predictions you can't miss, we've journeyed through the past, present, and potential future of Bitcoin. While the path ahead is filled with uncertainties and exciting possibilities, one thing is clear: Bitcoin continues to be a key player in the ever-evolving world of digital currency. Stay tuned for more insights, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in cryptocurrency news and analysis. Thank you for watching.